What is up? Welcome to this video. In this video we are going to look at what is Alembic in Python. So Alembic is a lightweight database migration tool for SQLAlchemy created by Mike Bayer. It helps manage database schema changes systematically over time, and it generates version controlled migration scripts that track database structure modifications, enabling teams to confidently upgrade or roll back database schemas across environments. So why is Alembic used? So in this video we are going to look at the why, workflow, and also an example. So it actually provides automated trackable database migrations. That's why it's actually used, and it integrates with SQLAlchemy ORM models. It actually also eliminates manual SQL. So with the workflow, you initialize Alembic, generate migration scripts, review and edit the migration, and then apply to database. So example is when adding an age column to a user table, Alembic creates upgrade and downgrade instructions that can reliably be applied or maybe reversed. So it integrates with Flask and API frameworks, and it enables teams to safely evolve data models and also maintains database consistency throughout the application life cycle.